All right, what's up, guys? Not much. All right, so as you can see, probably from last video, we had the MR2 here, but we moved the MR2 over here in the corner because once I start stripping this thing, it's probably going to be here for a while. So I didn't want it just sitting in the middle of my garage floor. So we're probably going to pull it over here and we'll start stripping it. And I guess let's just get started. But I was going to try to pull the engine this weekend, but I don't know. To be honest with you, we got some other projects. That thing back there. Killer 1 is already set up, but Killer 2 is slow. So what we got to do is I might build, I don't know. This is probably like this because it's getting cold outside. I mean, summer's coming to a wrap, so I got to get this thing ready before summer's over. So what I'm probably going to do is this weekend I might build a custom exhaust for this thing, port the intakes coming in, and then I got a dyno tune set up for it probably next week sometime, and I might run it on E85 and see what we can do. So I don't know. This is gonna be the killer. It's 200-mile-an-hour crew right there. But all right, on to the MR2. All right, I guess let's start the strip. Oh, and two, also wanted to show you these wheels I put on here. I put these wheels on here just because I'm gonna be working on the car a lot, but I had an extra set chilling around, so I figured let's not throw them on here. They look pretty good. I wish I should have got like an outside shot before I pulled the car in, but I don't know. Got some Honda wheels on the future K-swap, so all right. All right, so got a couple panels removed, as you guys saw. Wasn't that bad. This thing, actually, man, when you take these panels off, like, you got a lot of room to work. I like this. Like, you can kind of just like come in, do what you need to do. You can throw some stuff back here and keep going. Like, this is gonna be nice, man. So all right, so we got the panels off. It's pretty clean in here. Like, I didn't even check under here before I like brought the car, because like they say you're supposed to like pull all this stuff up because it could be like water damage or something like that. But obviously you can see it's pretty clean in here. I mean, it's, you know, now we're not rusted through or anything. Everything looks pretty good. The only thing we got to figure out too, though, is I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling this motor out now. But I guess as far as like engine bay, like, do you guys, I'm probably gonna paint the bay, but what I wanted to do is, you can see that the bay is kind of like this color, which is not cool at all. But like you can see they repainted the car this color, so like, so yeah, see like the color down there, that's like the color the bay is in there, and that doesn't look too good. So what I really want to do is like I want to see if I can find some color cards or something and find what this color is, because like I know this isn't an OEM color and I have no idea what color it is, but I like this color. So what I might do is see if I can find some color cards and paint the bay this color. But we still got to get this engine out, so that's actually coming next. But even up here, pop the hood off. Probably don't need it off, but we got to go ahead and two, like same thing with this. I want to paint this also, like paint this and make it look clean, like this, you know, so like it's clear coated and everything and it looks good. So we'll probably strip all this stuff out and then go ahead and, you know, paint this, get the fuel cell up here and everything. So I guess we'll go ahead and keep it moving. So man, it's gonna be a lot of work. So all right guys, we'll actually I'll probably just break this up. Let's just go ahead and pull the engine on the next video. So all right guys, later.